Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to help you to determine the Lewis structure of SiF4. It's a chemical formula of silicon tetrafluoride, and for that, we'll count the total number of valence electrons. We have one silicon atom having 4 valence electrons and 4 fluorine atoms having 7 valence electrons, and that gives us a total of 32. Now for the arrangement of atoms, we will put silicon in the center and arrange fluorine atoms around it somewhat like this. Then to show a bond between these atoms, we will place pair of electrons in between each atom. As you can see, silicon atom has complete outer shell, but each fluorine atom needs 6 more electrons for complete octet, so we'll assign 6 to each fluorine atoms. So let us go ahead and do that. Doing that, we have used all our valence electrons and each and every atom in this Lewis structure has complete outer shell and zero formal charge. So this is the final Lewis structure of SiF4. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thanks for watching.